Hi folks, thanks for joining us here at Freedom Forest. We've got heaps of basil ready right now, so I thought I'd share with you how I make us a simple vegan basil pesto that we're going to pour over some pasta and enjoy. I've been pinching the basil tips off to make it bushmore, and we've got plenty ready right now. So I've got my basil and I'm going to cram as much as I can into my handy Tupperware mini chopper. And this is an awesome gadget if you're off grid or if you just want to save electricity. It's basically just a mini food processor, but it's powered by me. I'm going to add a couple of cloves of garlic, and this is actually wet garlic, which is usually a little milder right now. And wet garlic just means it's freshly harvested and hasn't fully dried yet. We've got all of our garlic hanging to dry right now, and you can see more on that in our recent garlic harvest and storing video. Right, so let's give this a little whiz. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sunflower seeds to my chopper. Some salt. And black pepper. And a good tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Even if you're not vegan, nutritional yeast is a great cheese substitute in things like this. It's much lower in fat and of course plant-based, and it's fairly easy to find in supermarkets and food stores these days. Now we're going to give this another really good whiz up. And we want everything really well chopped up. So I think that needs a little bit more. Nice, looking good. Looking good. Now I'm going to scrape this all out into a glass jar. And I've got to be really careful with these blades because they are super sharp. Don't want to waste any of this lovely, fresh, fragrant goodness. Let's get it all out. And then I'm just going to add enough olive oil to basically cover all of the ingredients. Nice, looking good. So now you've just got to give this a taste and make sure that it's to your liking. Oh, it's beautiful. Obviously you can adjust the salt, pepper, nutritional yeast, or you can add more oil if you'd like a runnier pesto at this stage. But I'm going to pour this through some pasta that we've had cooking on the fire. I'm going to top it with some freshly picked shredded spinach, and we are going to enjoy our homemade, freshly picked, delicious vegan pesto. Don't forget to like and comment on our videos and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you here again soon. Peace and plants!